Okay, we're coming in. Yay! That's my room. That's my room. Boom, boom, boom. I love my room. Check now how I'm gonna look like here. But I think darker, I think so bad. You know, I just decided to show my room. As you, all my videos I recorded here in my room, most of them, yeah. So that's why I thought, why not to show my room where I live. I don't want to show my whole apartment because I don't live alone. And but by the way, you can check out my apartment tour that I made 1 year ago. Definitely, it's kind of cool to watch how you know, like students' apartment, how they live here in Darmstadt in Germany, etc. Here I live. It's my room. It's small. It's about 12, I think so, or meters. So it's pretty small, but I like it. You know, just some furniture I got by myself. For example, as you saw my mirror. No, and my chair. And here you will see my lamp too. So, yeah, I just, you know, I love my apartment. It's really cool. I mean, I'm in a room. Nothing to worry about it. I always love me. Really, you can see that I definitely changes here because you know, just I cannot live somewhere where I cannot feel that this room tells about me. I definitely YouTube setup, some stuff, cameras, books that I never ever open again. I don't know why I bought it. I just started reading them 1 year. After that, I never used it. So that's why before buying, you know, expensive books like, let's say 50, 40 bucks, it's expensive book, pretty much, yeah, let's say. And if you don't think so that you're gonna read, and don't buy it. Don't buy it. It's not worth it, really. You know, I personally think it's really important where you live right now. And if you don't like your room, you absolutely have to change. As I did 1 year ago, and I feel confident. I changed a couple times, most of the time, the table, but I'm really comfortable with my room. Yes, I absolutely love it. And most of my friends, you know, complain about the fact that I don't have any rug. I had one, but you know, I won't clean it. It doesn't, you know, it doesn't help me. When I just want to, you know, lay on something, I just can lay on my bed. That's all about it. Sure, I mean, why do I need extra place to lay or just feel comfortable, not cold? You know, as you see, I always the time wear socks because I don't know, just get used to. You know, sometimes when socks are so comfortable, I sleep with them. Yes, I don't take them off me. No, why? Because I don't take them off. I don't want to say that. Sorry. Why? Because I just say usually that I just don't wanna. But I take off is dirty. Most of the time it's dirty because a lot of I have to say them stops. You know, dirties come from the window. Out of window, yeah, that's something like that. Sure, a lot of, you know, I got posts. I don't know why. Yeah, I know, of course, I know why. I have to check them out, open them, and check down. It's really important. I look them, and after that, I put them because I don't want to put them because maybe some of them I have to just throw it away, and yeah, I will do that. Have to forget my wardrobe, yeah? That's why I'm gonna show that. It's messy. I know that's messy, but yeah, that's just messy. Yeah, I have a lot of t-shirts. Yeah, a All my clothes are there for winter, for summer, autumn, spring, etc. I don't need, extra places. I just put them under my bed, but most of the time here, my clothes, my shoes under my bed. Yeah, a couple of them, just winter. Yeah. So it's kind of messy, but I like it. I have traditional clothes. I'm gonna show you just a moment. That's one. That's kind of nice. I don't wear it because I'm comfortable. So I just found out that I got this one. I wear it almost 2 years, and that's cool. So what next? Well, I think, yeah, kind of like that. Nothing special, but just thinking to make a TikTok trend, like, some guys show what you have to wear, what's like kind of, just kind of cool to wear something that's like that. I want to in my style, what I wear, and I think really good, and yeah, sure.